Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity, folks. So if you're interested, make sure you click the first link in that description below. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. 3 very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR. It shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and PLR license. Now use this document to increase your sales using PLR. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic and thereby making money online. The third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. You pocket the difference. Hence, you become the middleman. Bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income. And it's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And bonus number 5 will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes to run the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now let's get on with our review. The vendor of Geminai is Venkatesh Kumar. He is a well-known vendor on Warrior Plus who develops innovative technology applications. His products have sold over 36,000 units, and I expect this one to also sell as well. In a nutshell, this is the Google's Geminai powered virtualized AI chatbot app. And you receive an unlimited usage, so you don't need to worry about the limitation, and there's no monthly payment for a ChatGPT anymore. Now, things you should know about Geminai, or Geminai AI. It's the first true Google Geminai powered AI chatbot. Mentioned that you no longer need to pay a monthly fee. It's newbie friendly and easy to use. It has unlimited usage without any restrictions, and you can start making money by charging your clients, and it retrieves all the data from the web easily using our AI chatbot. And there's much, much more. The sales funnel looks like this. The front end is for $17. An unlimited use of the front end is for $32. If you want an agency, it's $37. If you are seeking a done-for-you setup, it's $197. And then you can get some other apps like AI Profits for $37, and Infinite Traffic for $47, Fortune 500 for $27, and finally OTO7 is a reseller application for $67. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They show you how to obtain recurring income online easily. And they show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And not only that, you learn how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for watching, folks. See you next time. And don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.